We have already made a video on noises that comes from doors and windows. One more video is needed. Like last time we had done a treatment, oiling had been done, which had made its operation a little bit smooth. But if you bang onto the door, there are some additional noises that can be heard. So in today's video, we are going to see, or you can say the motive of our video is to tell you how this door panel can be opened and how the inner parts like the scissor or the inner parts like frame or gear system used to open and close the window. Here the difficulty is coming wherein when we can take till now it becomes a little bit tight. Anyways, we are now able to lose it completely, which was not the case before, and hence after oiling some amount of benefits can be seen. Here you can see it becomes tight while sliding the glass down. This may be happening with you also. As in rainy seasons, oil and water cannot stay together. One of them always So friends, welcome to one more video of DIY Master, and this is your voiceover artist Yukta. In today's video, we are going to see how to do servicing of this door. So first we'll need to open it, and to open it we require to open this 3, and after opening these 3 we'll remove this. So the lever which is used to unlock it or open this screw which is present here inside, which can be opened easily, and after opening remove the screw and pull it in the way, and it will come out this way. Afterwards there is 2 nuts here. Now guys, as you can see here, you might also face a little difficulty in opening this lever here. There's a lock here. Just get your screwdriver stuck here in the lock, and then this can be removed by pulling it. It looks like this. What we have to do is stuck one screwdriver here like this, and we start pulling it. It will get removed easily. So as of now we have removed this all. We have removed all 3 things, and we'll keep it here so that it doesn't get lost. Now all the 3 things have been removed. You don't hurry to do anything much. Just start pulling it this way. There's a lock in it. Those locks will go on opening one by one this way. And now guys, after removing it, you can clear it with the cloth. If we talk about this, you can see here if anything is making noise, like suppose if I say the noise is coming, you can place the parking, and here you can see the place which is here. There is shortage of oil and grease. Maybe because of this one, entire system had become noisy. Cloth. If we talk about this, you can see here if anything is making noise, like suppose if I say the noise is coming, you can place the parking, and here you can see the place which is here. There is shortage of oil and grease. Maybe because of this one, entire system had become noisy. So first we'll do oiling. Here there is no need of telling you about each and everything. You can see here wherever noise is coming, you have to do oiling here. So we had done oiling from here to here. We can see these things. So the locks which are there, the lever of these locks and the lock which is here, the lever which is here to unlock this. As you can see here, there is a lot of this much ply is there and the unlock can be done. As you can see here, there is a space towards this on the top. Here vibrations also happens, hence some noises can be heard. So to stop it, we'll open both these nuts and make these tight. And guys, this opening lever which is there, if we do oiling here also, then the noises will stop coming and this starts working nicely because it's driver's side and is regularly used. So I have removed it and done the oiling. So now oiling is done almost in all the places, towards downward also and in this lock section also and here downwards also, and this has practically become very smooth and working nicely. Our entire system has been improved. The glass is also working properly and the problem which was arising in lock, the door which was not opening properly, that has also been become proper and key movement has also become smooth. The overall operation of the door has improved. So if you are also facing any problem related to the door like jamming etc., then you can open it and repair it at house itself. Now let's fix it back. Here insert all the locks at proper places and first fix in any one lock and after inserting just bang on it so that it gets fixed properly. Now the easy way to fix this lock is put the washer, put the lock this way and then fix it, and you look here, it is been fixed. Now the handles and this one, fixing it is not a big rocket science. We'll fix this also easily. I have to use both the hands, so making a break. So guys, in this way we have done the servicing of our entire door. The movement of this glass has become smooth and the lever also, and the unlocking system that is outside, that is also, plus the movement of the key has also increased and become free and smooth. Anyways, so guys, I hope you had liked this video. Guys, if you had liked this video, please like it and comment on which topic you require the next video or any issue that is problematic for you and you require solution to it. Thank you very much for watching us. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the video.